Hello, welcome to Cozymeal Studios. I'm G, and today we're going to be cooking up some cozy and delicious food that's sure to warm your heart and fill your belly. Our star of the day, air fryer tater tots. These crispy golden brown bites of goodness are the perfect side dish or snack for any occasion. Plus, they're super easy to make in the air fryer, so you won't have to spend hours in the kitchen. So let's put on our aprons, fire up the air fryer, and get ready for a tater tot adventure that you won't forget. But before we begin, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell for more recipes from us. First, lightly spray the air fryer basket with oil, and then arrange the tater tots in a single layer inside the air fryer basket, making sure none of them are touching. Next, air fry the tater tots at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes, tossing halfway through to ensure even cooking. While that cooks, we are going to make a ranch dipping sauce. So head over to your pantry, open up your refrigerator, and grab mayonnaise, sour cream, buttermilk, chives, garlic powder, white pepper, and salt. Mix all of those ingredients together until fully incorporated. Pour into a bowl and garnish with additional chives. Once the tater tots are done cooking, season them while still hot with salt. Yeah! And then serve them hot with the ranch dipping sauce on the side, and try to grab one before they disappear. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more recipes from Cozymeal Studios. If you want the full recipe, check out the description box below, or head to cozymeal.com/recipes, where you will certainly find this recipe and so much more. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're looking for more Cozymeal recipes, be sure to check out our other videos. See you again soon.